Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So since PayPal doesn't directly support Bitcoin deposits from Binance, you'll need to follow these steps to convert your Bitcoin into fiat currency before transferring it to PayPal. So firstly guys, open up the Binance app and log in, go to the wallet section and select Spot Wallets. Find Bitcoin in your asset list and tap it. Select Sell and choose your preferred fiat currency and enter the amount. Confirm the transaction. In Binance, go to your wallet, select Fiat and Spot, tap Withdraw. Choose your converted fiat currency and select a withdrawal method. Enter your bank account details, then confirm the withdrawal. After that, open the PayPal app or website and log in. Go to the wallet section and select Link a bank if your bank isn't linked yet. And also guys, I have an alternative method via the peer-to-peer transfer. Go to Trade Peer-to-Peer in Binance, select BTC as the currency and sell as the transaction type, filter by PayPal under Payment Options, and choose the buyer with a strong rating. That's it, enter the amounts and confirm. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Bitcoin from Binance to your PayPal account. Press like guys on this video, subscribe, see you in the next one.